Welcome to the Schluter Systems Tips and Tricks video series. I'm Andy Acker.
And I'm Aaron Woodruff.
We're going to talk just a minute today about the benefit of pre-cutting all your KERDI and KERDI Band, Aaron.
Correct. One thing that you can do is just to speed up the process and be a little bit more efficient is laying out your shower system, just having an idea of how many pieces of KERDI fabric you need, whether you're running the fabric vertically or horizontally. And basically what I do is I try to pre-cut everything.
I see you've got it labeled there. That's the tray piece.
The tray.
And you've got a wall piece there.
Yep, and depending on how many pieces you need, you have all of your KERDI pre-cut before you start mixing your thin set, as well as applying it to the wall.
So just a more efficient way of laying things up. But also a big benefit is that we don't leave the thin set exposed to air so it can start skinning over on us too quick.
That is right. So we have a lot of people that will, they'll trowel the entire wall, then they'll decide to go cut the piece of KERDI, and then they get back and the thin set's starting to dry out or skims over, and the issue is the KERDI doesn't want to embed into that.
Right, so good fresh thin set is going to be a benefit. So if everything's pre-cut, staged, ready to go, we can do this very efficiently and we won't get any dry spots or blisters.
Correct. So you'll have the thin set on the wall, and you'll be able to embed the fabric as soon as you get that troweled, and away you go.
And we even do that with a KERDI band. We can pre-cut everything, have everything ready to go before we ever mix up our thin set.
Yep, so you can cut basically your 4 pieces for the shower pan. All we have basically labeled, so you can either do it numbered. Some people write where it goes as far as just with the name.
Sure.
The one other benefit that you can do is you can pre-fold the KERDI band, and so if you're doing floor-to-wall connections,
Any corner, sure.
Yep. You can just take the KERDI band, fold it in half, take your finger, end of a knife, and just basically crease that. That way when you set that into place, you're going to have equal amount of KERDI band on the floor and the wall.
Ready to put on, goes in tight.
That it does.
All right. Well, that was a really quick